Why do buyers from around the world shop at ASD and SourceDirect? Well, of course, they come here to find incredible amounts of products here. We're the largest general merchandise show in the US. We also offer such incredible amount of information to really help you become very successful. Whether you're a small or medium or a high volume buyer, we have it all for you. So we cover all topics such as brand development, if you're an e-commerce or for Amazon sellers, but also we also talk about sourcing intelligence and to really keep you ahead of the game so that you can be successful. And so that is something that we offer that's so unique from any other trade shows. For this show, we have about 116 sessions that covered everything from sourcing to e-commerce to the latest development on trade policies. I had a buyer who said to me, "Thank you so much for helping us with our business." And it's incredible to see small businesses that grow and then they're prepared to start importing goods from overseas. And that is what the success is, to show that we do care about our attendees, we do care about exhibitors, we care about our show, we care about our people, and to ensure their success here. And to provide them to see one example of a buyer that came here to the show and said to me, "You know what? We started here with one retail store and now we have multiple retail stores and now we're getting to private label." So, you know, this is what we provide. We are the resource, we're the platform, we're the destination, not just only a one-stop shop, but an incredible amount of resources here, whether it's seminars, whether it's learning new factories, visiting new factories, this is what we provide here at the show. One funny fact that a buyer said to me, "You know what, how convenient to have SourceDirect and ASD together. I don't even need a passport. This is it." So they can visit hundreds of factories and not even have to travel abroad. So that's one great thing about being here at ASD and SourceDirect.